Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real, doing a little meal prep, getting ready for a new week. I'm gonna put some overnight oats together for me, and I'm gonna put it in a mason jar. I love me a mason jar. You can put anything in there. I warm my hot water in the microwave in it, love it. I'm gonna put a half a cup. I've been relaxing the body down. Me and the Cookie Monster. It's been a nice, quiet day. It's a good way to start a new week, in my opinion. So I'm gonna do half a cup of quick oats. I'm gonna do 3/4 cup of whole milk. And you can use any milk you like. I just think whole milk is probably best for us, unless it was raw milk. People drank raw milk for years and nobody said a word about it. And now, you know, there's so much buzz about it. 1 tablespoon of honey. I got buzzers everywhere. 1 tablespoon of honey. I'll keep this tablespoon to stir it with. I'm gonna put a little bit of cinnamon. I'm gonna put a little bit of allspice in mine. That's got cloves, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Just a dash. Don't want to be too overpowering. A little bit of vanilla extract. Just a dab. Dub. About like that. You can do that to your liking. And I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of pink Himalayan salt. I'm gonna give that a stir, and then I'm gonna put a lid on it. Put a lid on it. That's how some people tell somebody to keep their mouth shut. I'm gonna put a lid on this, and I'll have this for breakfast in the morning. Easy, nutritious. You can put fruit in it. You can put chocolate and peanut butter in it. Totally up to you. But that's how I'm doing mine. And that is plenty sweet. And I have a huge sweet tooth. Anyway, quick oats. That's what I'm gonna have one morning this week. Thanks for watching the page. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Share, like, and comment. See ya.